Every major transformation begins the same way, quietly. In the mid-1800s, John D. Rockefeller looked at a messy, misunderstood material, oil, and saw a future no one else imagined. He did not just create a product, he built the roads, the pipelines, the partnerships, the very foundation that would power an entire country. He changed how the world moved, worked, and lived. Today, history is repeating itself. At J&J Green Paper, we see the same future, a world ready to move beyond plastic. Like Rockefeller with oil, we aren't just creating a product. We're building an entire system, one designed to transform how industries package, protect, and deliver goods. This is the story of transformation, then and now. When Rockefeller entered the oil business, the industry was chaotic. Oil was hard to find, dangerous to transport, and inconsistent in quality. But he saw what others didn't, a future powered by reliability, efficiency, and trust. He focused not just on discovering oil, but refining it, creating a cleaner, dependable product people could rely upon. Rockefeller understood that if oil was going to fuel a nation, it needed more than just wells. It needed infrastructure, railroads to move it, pipelines to carry it, refineries to process it. He struck deals with railroads. He standardized production. He lowered costs, raised quality, and turned oil from a curiosity into a necessity. At first, few believed it could happen, but piece by piece, Rockefeller built the foundation until oil didn't just power lamps, it powered modern life itself. Today, the world faces a different kind of challenge. For decades, plastic has been the material we trusted. It was cheap, durable, and convenient. But now we see the consequences. Oceans filled with waste, landfills overflowing, and a rising demand for something greater. At J&J Green Paper, we see the opportunity, just as Rockefeller did more than a century ago. Where others see a difficult problem, we see a clear future, a future where packaging is part of the solution, not the problem. We didn't just set out to create a product, we set out to build a foundation. We began by perfecting the material itself, clean, consistent, and reliable. Janus is a new kind of coating, engineered to do what plastic does without the cost to the environment. It's made from natural, renewable ingredients, designed to coat paper and paperboard, creating a strong, flexible barrier, protecting food, oxygen, grease, and moisture resistant, and standing up to real-world use. But what makes Janus different is what happens next. Instead of lingering in landfills or polluting oceans, Janus is certified to break down naturally, composting safely in both industrial and home environments. We have spent years refining the formula, testing it under pressure, heat, and humidity, perfecting its performance to match and in many cases exceed the standards set by traditional polyethylene coatings. Every challenge, every test pushed Janus to be stronger, safer, and more reliable. Because a true replacement for plastic can't just work in a lab, it has to work in the real world. Just as Rockefeller standardized oil refining, ensuring every barrel met expectations, we have standardized Janus, ensuring that every sheet coated delivers the strength, protection, and compostability industries can trust. But refining the material was only the beginning. Real change needs more than innovation. It needs movement, a way to get the right material into the right hands at the right time. Rockefeller didn't just produce oil, he moved it. He built the pipelines, made the deals, and connected supply to demand. We're building the pipelines of today at J&J Green Paper, scaling up Janus production to meet global demand, working with quick service restaurants and major brands like McDonald's to solve real-world needs, and have secured the certifications that prove performance, safety, and trust. Every step of the way, we're ensuring that Janus meets the highest global standards for food safety, from North America to Europe to Asia, so that companies can adopt it with confidence anywhere in the world. Piece by piece, we're laying the foundation so that sustainable packaging moves from possibility to everyday reality. And just like in Rockefeller's time, every transformation faces skepticism. They said oil would never replace whale oil, wood, or steam power. And they were wrong. Today, they say bio-based coatings can't replace plastics. But every test we face, we pass. Every doubt we meet, we overcome. Every major transformation looks impossible until it becomes inevitable. Rockefeller's vision built the foundation for the modern world. Today, a new foundation is rising, one built not on fossil fuels, but on innovation, responsibility, and sustainability. Janus isn't just another product. It's the beginning of a new system, a system where packaging protects products and the planet. A system built carefully, tested rigorously, and designed to last. This isn't the end of an era, it's the start of a new one.